How you doing, guys? Chris here from Divergent Drones. Well, we've got some big news about the Avata FPV drone and the new Inspire 3. Early this weekend, we had a new picture of the new Avata FPV drone and a caption that read, "Power on." And just being released today, news of the new digital FPV system to include the Avata drone. The filing here lists the O3 air unit. This is big news for people in the FPV community. This sketch is our first look at the new air unit, and this is a simulation of what the new goggles could look like. There's also the FCC label for the new drone, and this sketch indicates where it will be positioned. As we zoom into the label, we get a closer look at some detailed information about the new drone. For instance, this is going to be a 4S 2420 milliwatt-hour battery. So that throws off my sub 250 gram theory. The battery alone on this drone would weigh more than 250 grams. This means it's leaning more towards the sub 500 gram mark. And now let's talk a little bit about the Inspire 3. We have a new photo of it in action. This is a very good sign since the last time we saw the Inspire 3 in action, it crashed right afterward. Fortunately for us, the crash gave us some good detailed information about what the new drone is going to look like. As we pan down the photo, we see much thinner arms and 2 battery slots, the new position of the FPV camera mounted on top, and of course we can't forget to mention the actual recording camera. We think this is going to be the X7, which will come stock with the Inspire 3 drone. But as these photos would indicate, the Inspire 3 is not going to crash well, so we highly recommend that you fly safely. Stay tuned for more updates on the Avata and the Inspire 3 drone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.